In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate in WhatsApp. Now, for us to get this done, let's head over to the Play Store first and just go ahead and look up Google Translate and download this one. You can do this one or use this one on your iPhone as well. However, there is a feature, a very important feature that's not available in iPhone, and I'm going to show you by opening the app itself. Now, go ahead and tap your profile right here. You should be automatically signed in, and then go ahead and click the settings. Now, here in the settings, there is a tap to translate button right there. Go ahead and click that, and this is the feature, by the way, that I'm talking about that's not available on your iPhone device. Now from here, just go ahead and turn this on, and I'm going to show you what is the use of this one. Now I'm going to head back to my WhatsApp. There you go, and you should be able to see here a language. This is a question in Chinese. Now if I were to click that over there, basically what's going to happen is that this is going to pop up, and when you are going to click that, you should be able to see that message here, and that is how it is translated. So yep, that is one feature again that's very important in Android, but it's not available on iOS. And that, everybody, is how it's done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.